Okay, are we ready to open up your last gift from Mommy and Daddy? Okay, and your mark is set? Go.
Hey, Mark.
What in the world is this?
Hurry up, Haddon. Hurry. Open your...
Scooter? This is what I always wanted, a scooter. Scooter?
Hurry up, Haddon. What is it?
I always wanted a scooter. I got a scooter. I got it. I got it.
Move, Jameson. You're right. Move. Jameson.
Is that cool?
Yeah, this is what I always wanted.
Oh, awesome. Lasers.
Oh, not a scooter like this.
Is that cool?
Yeah,
Really?
I don't want a
Wow.
scooter like this. Me too.
It's
Gideon.
going to be lots of fun.
Oh, we'll learn how to do it. We'll get good at it,
I know
right?
how to. I know how to do a scooter.
Wow, are you excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now it's Jameson's turn. You ready? Here comes Jameson's last present from Mommy and Daddy. You got to open it up real good. You ready? I wonder what it could be.
Everybody move away.
Hurry up.
What is the big ball here? The big ball here with the big Spanish.
It speaks Spanish?
Yeah. I'm fun. Oh yeah. Oh, this wrapping paper.
Okay, good job. He's getting into the tree.
He's okay. Are you excited, Jameson?
Thank you, Snoopy.
What is that?
I always wanted this.
Look at that.
I just bought it.
Okay, say Merry Christmas. Jameson, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
She spotted them again.
Love it.